to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops. Hi everyone, I am live on Twitter for the very first time, and I might just look a little dull, sleepy because I just woke up and I saw 400k on my profile, and I was super happy. So I thought I should do a live session for all my fans. This is the first time I am live on Twitter. I've never been live on Periscope or Twitter. So yeah, this is the first time. What better day to get 400k followers on Diwali? Happy Diwali to all my fans and their families. It feels so amazing to share this beautiful love with you guys. I always feel that whenever I'm down or whenever I'm hurt, it's only my Armanians that bring a smile to my face and always make me feel that life is better, and that I can go on. I can forget all my troubles and go on. So thank you to all my fans for being there for me always and giving me so much love. Happy Diwali. Hi everyone, I am live on Twitter for the very first time, and I might just look a little dull, sleepy because I just woke up and I saw 400k on my profile, and I was well, to celebrate 400k. I thought I'd do a live session. So I am going to be replying to most of you guys. Wait, the comments are going so fast. Rafia Siddiqui, had your breakfast? No, I haven't had my breakfast. I just woke up and I started doing the live session. Who else is there? Majumdar Arya _ Arya. Please mention my name. Yes, I just mentioned your name. Happy Diwali, everyone. Sunaina, thank you for the opportunity to grow with you. Thanks, Sunaina. I'm glad I have you guys by my side. The whole house is busy in cleaning up and decorating the house for Diwali. Lot of fans. AN _ Amalian, please say hello to me. Hi. Sunaina just woke up. Yes, I just woke up. How do you take it when you're compared with other singers like Arijit? I really, first of all, I feel honored if someone compares with me with someone. But definitely I have my own style of singing, my own kind of music. So I don't feel affected by any of that. I take that as a positive and go on. भैया एक बार प्रणोदीप बोल दो. Hi Pranodeep, lots of love. Someone asked me kal Diwali party kaisi thi. Party was really nice. I was very tired. So if you've seen any of my pictures, you must have seen all the eye bags underneath my eyes because I've not slept since a week. I haven't slept. So, but I had to go for the party. There were a lot of friends and family who wanted to celebrate Diwali together. So I couldn't give it a miss, but it was great. Anyways, you're like seeing pictures of mine in that traditional Indian stuff, so I had to post something. Otherwise, I was on a break. I was not going to be posting anything. How's Dadi Malik? Dadi is really healthy now. Thank God. I'm really glad that she is doing well. All the fans also prayed a lot for her, so she is in good health now. And yes, we are spending a lot of time with my Dadi. Someone says I look good in glasses. Yes, I like glasses so much more. It gives me so much more comfort. But somehow the other, I never liked my look in the glasses. It gives me that whole serious teacher wala type look, which I don't like. But yeah, it looks good. I think it looks good. Pooja, congratulations Arman, 400k followers. Thank you so much. RJ Nia, please take rest. Yes, I will take rest. After this session, I'm going to go back to sleep again. How's Handsome? Handsome is amazing. He posed for the Diwali picture yesterday. I was wanting him to look into the camera, into the front camera, but he was always looking side. But I can't force him. He's a egoistic dork. He has his own mind, so he doesn't listen to me. Let's see what other. What about your health, Ananya? Ananya, I'm a little unwell. I've been actually unwell not because of any fever or anything. It's just that I'm very tired. I've been traveling since a week. Kolkata, Chennai. Had 2 recordings there. Then I had a lot of rehearsals when I came back home. And obviously the rehearsals are for something really special. So you'll know very soon. Yeah, but I'm just trying to work as much as possible so that my the stuff that I'm working for comes out really good. But obviously I can't compromise on my health, so I will take rest. Sherwani _ wears, please launch a new song. Yes, bro, I'm working on a lot of new songs. Not so easy because we all want to do really good songs. So I mean, I can release a song. I have so many songs in my computer that I can release them every week. But it's just about knowing which kind of song you want to release, what is a nice song, and what really speaks to you. So the songs that spoke to me were the songs that I've released. Please say Aditi once. Aditi. Hi Aditi. How are you? Please, one word about SS Thaman. Thaman sir is a really nice composer. I'm glad I sang that song for him. Rendu Kallu. Jenny Malik, please can you say my name? आपका नाम बोल दिया मैंने, Jenny. What's up? When you come to Bhubaneswar for a concert, I will come very soon. I hope. I've been promising everyone that I'm coming, and in too many places in India and abroad. But I will try my best whenever I can. Obviously, at this moment, health is also important, so I'm going to be resting. Pooja, you're looking very cool. Thank you, Pooja. Please take a break soon. You're looking stressed. No, I'm not stressed. I just need sleep and sleep and sleep. Joking. Right now I'm still doing the live session for you guys. But I need sleep. So after the live session I'm going to be sleeping again. Arman Da, please sing a song. भाई अभी तो मेरे से गाना मैं नहीं गा पाऊंगा क्योंकि मैं बहुत थका हूँ और सुबह गला इतना खुला नहीं है मेरा. So I won't be able to sing. Please wish me for my 12th exams. All the best for 12th boards. I remember when I was giving them, I was super stressed because I was working on my album. Arman, if my pehle ke fans, pehle ke Armanians who were the first people who joined Twitter and began my journey with me, they'll know that the first thing about me was the Arman album, and I was working on the Arman album during my 12th boards. So it was very tough for me to handle studies and music. Can you reply my salam greeting? Salam to you as well. Happy Diwali to everyone celebrating. Oh, window ko band kar do na. Work is happening, so I'm just giving orders to people. Happy Diwali. I'm on a live session. Wait. Just tell everyone to play. Give me 1 minute. हाँ नहीं पर्दे मत बंद करो, ये वाला रहने दो खुला. हाँ बस चलेगा. दरवाजा बंद कर दो बस. Someone's asking no crackers. No, I don't burst crackers. I never believed in bursting crackers. मैं बस वो फुलझड़ी जला के I used to be happy. हाँ दिवाली हो गया मेरा. That was my Diwali. So yeah, as of now, I'm not going to be bursting any crackers or rockets. हमारा नेम भी बोल दो, मेरे भाई को दिखाऊंगी. ये किसने बोला? I forgot to see the name. Can you go back to the comments? No, you can't. Okay, guys, I think I should end this because I'm going to be sleeping again. Round 2. But 400k followers, I don't think it can be get bigger than this. I think it's amazing to share this love with you guys, and I don't know, I just feel so special that I have. It's not about the number 400k, it's just that I have so many amazing people next to me, close to my heart, and who love me so much. So thank you. Thank you for always giving me so much love. I love you guys a lot. And happy Diwali to all of you guys, to all your families. And just keep sharing your love with me. Lots of love. अभी मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. Okay. Bye.